Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Welcome to this training session on basic use of free software and assistive technology. Just I have shared the test, P-test. Okay, so please, I would like to request you take this test. It is just to know that how much you have knowledge about the topics to be discussed today. Okay, so please, it's having only 5 questions, objective questions. So just you finish test, and after 5 minutes, I will start, inshallah. Okay. So please check the chat box. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you all of you for joining this training session. Today we are going to discuss about very important and useful topic like basic use of free and assistive software. So let's start now. So what is assistive software? Assistive software, also called adaptive software, it refers to the computer program designed for specialized hardware used by physically challenged people. Like it is a tool, or you can say the software to help students with disabilities, even in the face of special education, teacher shortage is assistive technology. So today, assistive technology can help students with certain disabilities learn more effectively, and if they are having any listening problems, hearing issue, so it can help. So it's very useful and important for teachers who are dealing with the students having some disabilities, or even teachers should learn about these technologies. So I will talk about some important assistive technology today. Yes, according to the National Education Association (NEA), the number of US students enrolled in special education program has risen 30% over the past 10 years. Additionally, the NEA reports that nearly every general education classroom in the country includes students with disabilities, as 3 out of every 4 students with disabilities spends part or all of their school day in general education classroom. So our first software is text-to-speech software. As an assistive technology, text-to-speech software is designed to help students who have difficulties reading standard print or common print disabilities. It can include blindness or any type of visual impairment, learning disability, or other physical conditions that impairs the ability to read. So the technology, how it works, like it works by scanning and then reading the words to the student, and using a large number of speech sounds that make up words in a given context. With the advances in speech, it is called a TTS technology. TTS technology is more accurate and lifelike than ever. So I will show you that how to use, how we can use in our Windows and this TTS software a little bit later. So as an assistive technology, TTS software is designed to help students or children who have difficulties reading standards. And if we talk about fully featured TTS software, so it can have the different features like multiple TTS voices are there. It supports for 18 languages, and talking spell checker, pictures, dictionary, graphics for more than 40,000 words. Text magnification is also there if there is any reading problem. There are different, many features it has. Now, next is assistive listening system. So what is this? Like a variety of assistive listening system or hearing assistive technology. It can help students who are hard of hearing as well as those with auditory and learning problems. Just a minute, let me check that. Okay. So it is, we can say, like if students having some disabilities and they are hard of hearing, so we can use this technology. So number one is FM system. So what is FM system? According to the American Speech Language Hearing Association, ASHA, FM systems are the best choice of students with hearing loss or problems. The most common type of hearing loss for all ages, we can use this type of software, and how it works, like FM system work using radio broadcast technology with the transmitter, microphone, and receiver. the teacher and students can maintain a consistent sound level regardless of distance and background noise. So, and next is sound field system. So, number one, FM system is a good for personal level, but the next one is sound field system. So, sound field system are a strong choice of classrooms that need to assist listening for all students in class. So, ASHA notes that these systems benefit not only students that have hearing loss, but those that have other auditory and learning problems, such as language delays and other central auditory processing disorder, like that. So sound field system use a microphone that projects sounds, like teacher will have the microphone, and that projects sounds through mounted speakers around the classroom. And in classrooms that have a good sound that is able to travel evenly throughout, and so it's eliminate the problems of distance between the speaker and each listener, because sometimes it happens like teacher are speaking in a better way, but students who are in front of teachers hear well, while the other students sitting behind have problem in listening. So it can be used in classrooms. So this was about the assistive technology. So now I'm going to share tutorial to make you better understand what is assistive technology. And I will show you that how to use the text-to-speech software also.
Assistive technologies, or ATs. ATs are, in the words of the World Health Organization, assistive products and related systems and services developed to maintain or improve functioning and thereby promote well-being. This means that ATs are technologies which can assist a person in doing something that otherwise this person would not be able to do or would have difficulties with. ATs can provide different kinds of support. For blind people, ATs are often based on tactile communication like Braille, or sounds to replace images, text-to-speech devices, or technology to assist mobility. For deaf people, ATs can increase the sound level, for instance by means of hearing aids, or replace the sound by images or vibration-like visual alerting devices. For ASD, ATs are often designed to overcome barriers in communication. Here, augmentative and alternative communication technologies have been developed, like speech-generating devices. ATs can be medical devices, but it is also possible to use mainstream technologies for assistive purposes. For example, GPS navigators with voice interfaces are often used by blind people. Video phones for sign language users, and video games can be used by people with ASD to simulate and prepare for daily specific situations. Currently, people with disabilities face a wide range of barriers. These include, for instance, physical barriers, but also social barriers. There are many expectations regarding the benefits for people with disabilities in society connected with the use of ATs, since they can support people with disabilities to overcome the challenges they face. For instance, concerning the challenges in independent living. The hopes connected to ATs are related to an active and independent participation into social life, or as one blind IT expert put it during the project, being able to integrate in society to do what you need to do independently. What assistive technologies bring us? Independence, not having to ask for help for specific tasks to friends or family. The concept of universal design is crucial to ensure that ATs can serve everybody in society, and that they can be connected with a wide range of user interface devices. Currently, the European Accessibility Act is being negotiated at European level, aiming to ensure that technical devices will be universal, interoperable, and accessible for all. And what are the challenges in education? Participating fully in education is crucial to deal with the challenges of a digitalized world, as well as for the further active participation in employment. Students with disabilities are in need of educational support tools. IT technologies, for instance, have a prominent role for the inclusion of students into the educational system. In the words of an expert from industry, many aspects of education are currently provided through computers. Students need to have these assistive technologies, but the content and the platform have to be accessible. People without disabilities also need to be educated. Professionals dealing with ATs, for instance, in healthcare or public services, like police staff or teachers, technology developers or web specialists, they all need to be more aware of the specific needs of people with disabilities and how technology can support them. Many experts recommend that a new profession, the assistive technology professional, should be introduced to help manage the specifics and complexity of ATs.
I'm going to tell you about the text-to-speech software, that how we can use this in Microsoft Windows. So first of all, we need to go to the control panel and just select this ease of access. Okay, and then speech recognition, text to speech. Here you can just check voice selection, what you need. Then you can check speed, voice.
You have selected Microsoft David Desktop, English, United States, as the computer's default voice.
Okay, then okay. Speed you can adjust from here, and then okay. Now just go to the settings and narrator. You need to turn on narrator, but before this, just I want to show you that there are so many settings. Like startup options, allow the shortcut key to start narrator. You can use this shortcut key like Windows, Control and Enter to turn on or off the narrator. And start narrator after sign in for me, and whatever you need, just you can select from here. Then we already selected this one, Microsoft David, this voice we have selected. If you want to change, you can change from here. And change voice speed, again you can just change from here. Page change voice volume. Okay, change what you hear when reading and interacting, that what you need to hear, like text only or some control details, all control details and whatever. So I just need the text only. Have narrator's voice, emphasize, formatted text, here phonetics, and everything is here. So it's up to you that what you need to select here. Change what you hear when typing, like here if you want to hear letters, numbers and a punctuation, whatever you are typing, or only you want to hear words as you type, or hear function keys, or hear arrow tabs, and so whatever you need, just you need to select from here. Okay, choose keyboard settings. So here you can see the all commands, keyboard commands. Just click here.
Mouse mode on.
Okay, so here you can see that different shortcuts are there, like stop reading. If you want, if a narrator is reading and you want to stop, so just you can press the control key, and there are so many commands are there. Change view, show command list, and exit narrator. If you want to exit narrator, so Windows Control plus Enter key. And okay, so there are some shortcuts. You just need to remember all these shortcuts. Increase voice volume, so control plus narrator plus. Okay, so this all are the command shortcuts.
Heading level 1. Well.
Okay, now we have done this one.
Settings. Link.
Okay, now I will open a notepad.
Asterisk untitled. Notepad. Text editor. Editing.
Now I will just type something.
Hello. How are you?
Okay.
Hi. Cap I am good.
So here I will be telling you that how to enable your narrator or text to speech for a document. That if you want your narrator to read a document, so what you will do. So just open that document and press Control Window and Enter key.
Mouse mode on.
So it will start now.
Heading level 1. Welcome to narrator.
Just minimize this one and
What is free software?
select
The free software definition presents the criteria for whether a particular software program qualifies as free software. From time to time we revise this definition, to clarify it or to our selected.
So it was about the assistive software. Now we will see the free software. So free software is computer software distributed under terms that allow users to run the software for any purpose. We don't need to pay anything, as well as to study, change, and distribute it and any adapted version. So the best free software, although there are many free softwares available nowadays, but we'll talk about some. And so the best free software of 2020 software can be expensive, but free programs have been a mainstay on the desktop experience. And the big organizations sometimes they can purchase the license software, but we need at a personal level free software. So it's sometimes it becomes difficult to choose what to choose the free software, that what will be the good according to our need. Okay, so there are some criteria for free software when you are going to select free software. So just keep in mind this, some points. So number one is what, like the software must be available directly from the developer, creator, or original publisher. Otherwise, some website can steal your data or personal data, or maybe you can get the virus. You get the virus and you can damage your computer. So just check that it is directly from the developer or original publisher or not. Next one is the software should typically have a Windows-based download. However, we have included web-based applications that are both better than some downloadable programs. It means there are two types of free software. Like Windows-based means you need to download that software, and after that you have to run that exe file to install the software. Okay, so it is more secure. If you use the web-based software which are available online, so maybe again the same problem, like your data may be stolen by someone, or they can save your data. I can give you one example. Sometime we need to convert our document from Word to PDF format. And if we don't have the application installed in our computer, so we just go to the online and then open web-based software, free software applications, and then we convert there. So just you should be aware that if you have any important documents, you should not go there. Maybe you will be in trouble later. Okay, so for that purpose, just Windows-based software is better. But if you think that your document is not much important, so you can just go through their web-based software also. Number three is if the software is on a tiered sales model, the free version cannot be trial here. It has to have at least a free or for life option. Yes, because some software, if you go there, so just firstly they say that it's a free, and then trial version you need to download something. They ask from use to enter some information. So that time you just ignore that. And next is preferably the program has had an update in the last year or two. We suggest you should check that the software what you are going to use it has updation like last before 6 months has updated or not. Okay. And the last one, the program should have a little or no advertising to support it. Yes, because we can say that when we are going to use any free software, so like in suddenly in front of our us on screen, just we see there a lot of advertisement. So just ignore that type of software. So these are the some criteria when you choose free software. So just keep in mind all these things. Now we will talk about some free softwares, and number one is free audio software. So free software for audio, it's Audacity. So it is the open source. Audacity can record and edit audio files on more tracks than you can imagine. Uh, and it then outputs exactly what you need, even to MP3 files you can export. So actually what you can do here, like it's a very good software I have downloaded, and I have made a video also. I will show you a little bit later when I will finish explaining this free softwares here. So what you can do, like just you can go to Google and search Audacity and you can download. And after that, you can record there, and you can edit your recording, like cut, copy, paste, everything you can do there. And even you can reduce your background noise, and you can amplify, you can compress. So many things are there, many features are there. It's very good software if you want to use. So I will show you later. Next is automation software. So automation software, I can say like it is a little bit tricky, but very useful and very interesting software. So if you want to use this software. So actually what it does, like it connects the two applications. Okay, like for example, you have two applications like you have Excel file, you have Google Sheet. Okay, so I have video I will show you that if you have Google Sheet and you ask some users, you are collecting some data, and in that sheet you have one column like email. Okay, so what you want, like whenever the new row is created, like the user enter the data in email field, so that time only you want to send them automatic email. Means you don't need to go there and send everyone. Just you have preset all that settings and like email subject body everything. And when user just enter the email address, they are in search in Google Sheet. Okay, but that time only you are this automatic email will be sent by your Gmail ID or whatever ID you are using. So it is a very good software. It is just I'm giving you this one example. Other example like I can give you like for example I want like in my Gmail whenever the new attachment comes. Okay, so automatically it should go there in my Google Drive and save there. Okay, so you can do this one also. So like that you can use this automations in your business and wherever you want. So free software for automations. Here I will talk about two automation software. Number one is IFTTT. The full form is if this then that. Is a service with a website and apps that let you create automations that hook up your various web and smart home services. So this is also available. This IFTTT, it is available on smartphones also. You can use just what you need to do, just to go their Play Store and just type this IFTTT. You will be able to download this one, and when I will show you video, then after that you will be able to work on it. So what it's actually like how it works, like the automations are accomplished via applets, which are sort of like macros that connect multiple applications to run automated tasks. You can turn on or turn off the applets too. So example I have given you already, like automatic email and automatic responses if you want. Next is your Zapier. So Zapier, it is also very good software, and Windows, your computer, you can use this Zapier, and it is used for the automation between services and applications. Zapier puts the focus on business and helps them get the most out of all the disparate services. And here about 2,000 applications we can use in this software Zapier. And the free version, if you are using the free version of Zapier, so it can perform 100 automated tasks per month. Means per month you can create 100 automated tasks. So I will let you know that how it works. Next is file transfer. So file transfer software, actually at a personal level, you don't need file transfer software as an individual. But if you are working in any client server model, so that time you can use these file transfer software. They are very good. So there are three like file transfer software. Number one is FileZilla. FileZilla, it is a free software for cross-platform FTP, like the file transfer protocol application. It is used in client server model. It transfer files using FTP and support IPv6 version. It supports for other features like compression, encryption, okay, and what you need to do. I have downloaded in my computer. You can also go to the Google and download directly to your computer. So when you will connect, so you just need to connect to the server. There are two apps. When you will download this, there will be two apps like FileZilla client and FileZilla server. So just need to connect them and you can work on it. And next is Terracopy. What is Terracopy? Terracopy is the fastest copying tool for Windows. Like we already using the copy paste in our Windows, but just when you need, for example, sometimes you need very huge amount of data to copy at a time. So just it speed up your copy, okay, and you need to copy when you need to copy large amount of data. So when you download this one, so whenever you will copy after downloading this software Terracopy, so whenever you will copy even a single file, whatever you are using, you are just normal days you are copying and pasting. So whenever you will go your copy option, so it will show you that you want to like you can select from there that you if you want to copy using Terracopy, and very very fast it works, like very huge files or mini files it can copy in seconds. Next is uTorrent. uTorrent is also free software. You can download this one. It is very good software for if you want to download some videos, HD movies, videos, and anything. Okay, so you can download. And it is a web-based, desktop-based, and Android available. All I mean, Android phones also you can use this software. So it is also good, but if you want to use the uTorrent, so maybe you need to install some VPN for that, okay, to use this uTorrent software. Next is graphics and imaging. So there are some graphics and imaging softwares. Using those type of softwares, you can edit your photos and pictures if you need. So number one, there is a long list, but number one is Adobe Photoshop Express. Photoshop, although it is not free, but there is a version like Adobe Photoshop Express. So it is a free version you can use, and you can use this to make pictures or movies more interactive. It requires little knowledge to use this. Next is your GIMP image manipulation program, and it is available for Windows. Again, you can manipulate your images and all. And Inkscape graphic editor, it is used to create vector images. Same like here, ice cream image resizer. It resize your image with maximum productivity. Even your whole folder of mini files, it can resize same time in seconds. And what you need to do, like just you have to select the resolution, that sizing resolution from there, from that software, and then just it will resize. And next is security and privacy software. So we know that we require this type of security and privacy software, and we search for some free softwares for security softwares. So there are so many, like Kaspersky, Free, Walk Victor, LastPass, Mighty Password. So I just tell you some about something about them. Like Kaspersky software, it is a really very important. So first, number one is Kaspersky. So if you want to use the free software, free antivirus software, so you can use this one. And box scripter actually what it does, like it encrypts your data. It encrypts your data itself. It has zero access to your data. It means like when you download this box scripture, so that time it will show you that claim that we don't have any access to your data and whatever. So when you encrypt data, so you should be very careful that if you lost your password or anything, so you cannot recover that one, because itself it doesn't have any access on your data. Okay, but it's a good software. And so there are so many, like my key password manager and authentication. So it is just to manage your password, like store your all passwords. Because if you save and on a cloud, so maybe it is not secure. Okay, so if you have many password, you forget. So just you can, it is a password manager, you can say. So just it manage your all passwords, and you can download this in your computer. Because saving, because sometimes you see na, that if we are using any website, if we are working in a website, so just to show that save password. So yes, if the website is good and authentic, so it is good, but sometimes maybe we will be in trouble. So for that, just download this one. So next is your Tor browser. Tor browser. It is free and open source again, and software for enabling anonymous communication by directly internet traffic and network surveillance or traffic analysis is done through this software. So next is very important one is this Proton VPN. What is this? Like we all of us are aware about the VPN software, like virtual private network software. So because sometimes some bypass restriction is there, so we need some VPN. So in that case, we should careful to choose for VPNs, because maybe it can steal your data or can save your data because you are using this VPN. So it is very good. Proton VPN. It is best. We can say that Proton VPN is best to use. Okay, when you are going to use any VPN software. So this was about the security softwares. Next is notes. So what is notes? Like you can save your personal information here. Note keeper can keep your personal data, like no notepad. You know the notepad. So notepad for what purpose? Like we can save our data and whatever. So there are some examples, some of like some free softwares like Evernote, Microsoft OneNote. Microsoft OneNote comes with Microsoft in that package only. Google Keep if you want to keep your data on the cloud, so it can be used. Notepad plus plus. Notepad plus plus is just like a notepad, but it is an updated version. Okay, some color coding and are there like that. So these are some free software for notes. Okay, so next is our conferencing software. So I will talk about this some conferencing software a little bit later. Just I want to show you some videos for some important software what I have discussed, like your Audacity and your Zapier automation software. I have made the video. I will show you that how to use this software. Then after that, we will continue conferencing software. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Audacity software. As we know already that it is an open source software that can record and edit audio files. So I have already downloaded this one. You can go to the Google and just you can download the software from there. So here there are some menus given like a file. So I can create a new file. I can open the existing files. Okay, I can save my project and I can export the file as well in different formats. Okay, so first, for example, I'm just creating a new file. Okay, now here you can see that record option is there. So just we can record something like when I will click here. Welcome to the training session on basic use of free software. Here, okay. So I have recorded something here. Okay. So next, I can play from here. Welcome to the training session on basic use of free software. Okay. Now there are many options like for example edit options are there, cut, delete, copy, paste. For example, I just want to cut this portion starting like from here to here. So just I need to select like this and then I can go here, cut also available here. So you can go from here or there, cut. I can cut this one or if I want to paste here something, so just I can go here and then edit and then paste. Recently what I have cut, it is pasted here. Okay, so these are the editing options like cut, copy, or if I want to copy something, so I can copy also here. Next is I can select different select options are there, region, tracks, and all these things are there, and view, zoom, track size, so different zoom in, normal, zoom out. Okay, all these options are there. So I'm not going in detail. You just need to explore and transport. You can transport playing, play, stop, and different options are there. Or recording or scrubbing. Okay, now I'm just going to tell you the very good feature which is in effect menu. Under the effect menu, which is what like if you want to reduce the noise, background noise in your uh, recording. Okay, so what you will do for this, so for that just you need to first you need to select some portion of your recording and then go to the effect and then just see here noise reduction. Okay, so just get noise profile first. Again you need to go there, effect and then noise reduction. Okay, from here you can reduce like this. Okay, it's up to you that what you want. Next is preview. You can see welcome to the training session. Okay, okay, so it was about the noise reduction and you can amplify as well. Okay, so if you want to know that what are these features actually, so you can go here. Every feature is having the help section there, so you can see from there. Okay, that you can read from here. It is mentioned everything in detail. Okay, next is again just I go back. Okay, so like this there are so many features like if you want to compress your file, if you want to compress your recording and whatever, so you can go here compressor. Okay, so it's good for you, so just uh, keep this before 12. Okay, if you want to compress this recording and all, and after that you can adjust from here and then okay. So there are different options. Okay, you can go through, you can make a research and explore one by one. Okay, and Analyze also, you can analyze, add or remove plugins if you want. You can add or remove plugins also from there. So different menus features are there. I just told you a little bit about the Audacity software. You can explore more. Okay, thank you. I'm going to create a SAP for two applications. One is Google Spreadsheet and other is Gmail. So what I want actually, I want to send automatic email to those email IDs. So for this, for to create a Zap, just go to the Zapier.com. Okay. So first you need to go to the Zapier.com, and then here I'm going to show you that how to automate send automatic email to those who have entered their email ID on my Google Sheet. Okay. Which are newly entered in Google Spreadsheet. So let's see how to do that. First of all, we we should have a spreadsheet in our Google Drive. So for that, I have already created a Google Sheet here. You can see some columns are there, some fields are there like name, designation, email, and phone. Okay, so now let's go to the Zap. Make a Zap, click here. So number one is trigger. Trigger is an event that starts your Zap. So it is asking me to enter application. What I need Google Sheet. Yes. Choose an event. So you will see here many options like new spreadsheet, new worksheet. I need this one, new spreadsheet row. When anyone enter data or new row is created, that time I want this trigger happen. Okay, so continue. Google Sheets account. It means your Google Sheet where it is available. So I just want to put here my Google Sheet account, then continue. Spreadsheet. So spreadsheet, which spreadsheet we want, we can select from here. Like I'm having this info sheet. Then worksheet, maybe your spreadsheet might be having many worksheets. Okay, so but I think for me it's only one. It means when you click there on make a Zap, so it will ask you the application. You choose the application first. So where you want to trigger. So I just selected the Google Sheet. So after that, it asked that, okay, so what is your email ID? Sorry, your Google account. Means from there, it can pick the Google Sheet. So I just entered my account ID. Okay, and then I will select this. I selected this one. So after that it will ask me the action, means where action will be performed. So just see this. I select this one, continue. Test trigger. So it means it is working fine. Like we found a spreadsheet row, and then this spreadsheet row was found in your Google Sheet this account. Okay, then continue. Okay, apps event is your action. Okay, so here I want Gmail. So my action application is Gmail, from where I will send automatic email. So I selected email. Send email. Okay, it means when anyone enter some data or new data will be there. So that time I want to send automatic email to them. Send email. Continue. Okay, Gmail account. Again, this one I will select. Continue again. So setup action, it means to like to whom you want to send email. Okay, so if you see here, all fields whatever I have entered in my spreadsheet like designation, email, phone, so I will just select this one, email. Next is CC, if I want to send CC to myself or whatever. Okay, you can enter here. From, if you want to put anything, for example Gmail, this one. From name, your name like Atika. Okay, subject, email subject like thank you. Body type, email body, whatever you want to type here. It means only one time you need to make settings for your email and whatever you want to send automatic email, all these things, and after that it will be sent automatically to those who will enter their email ID in my Google Sheet. This your email, whatever you want to type here. Here, email. So I think we have entered all required data here, like this one, subject, and this body. Then we can continue. So this is your test action. So previously we have tested the trigger, okay, which we have created. Now test action, test and continue. Yes, email was sent to Gmail successfully. It means it is working fine. So turn on Zap. Now my Zap is on. I can name my Zap here. Automatic email. So it's done now, and if whenever you want to use this Zap, you can turn on. Otherwise, turn off this one. So it was one of the example of creating Zap. I have more example. I have make video, but I will not show you this time because we don't have much time. I will send you in WhatsApp group, college group, inshallah. Okay, now we will continue with the conferencing tool. Just a minute. So conferencing tool, this is the most important that as we know that we need to discuss in detail about this conferencing tool. So there is a long list and many conferencing tools have been used today, but just I will talk about two in detail, like this Microsoft Teams and Zoom. Zoom already we are using. Just I need to tell something more like how to use how to break out the rooms and that feature. So, but so and Skype also we are using. We know about the Skype that it can be used as a conferencing software. GoToMeeting also it is used in Android and Windows also. So there are many conferencing software you can just go through here. So first of all, just I want to discuss about this Microsoft Teams. Okay, so Microsoft Team is you can sign up this Microsoft Team as a free software. Like just go to the Microsoft.com and open the Microsoft Team, and from there you can sign up with your email or any account. But here in our university, it's free for us, free for the students, and free for teachers. So I want to just show you that how to use this Microsoft Teams. So just a minute. Yes. So what you want, like what you need, just go to the Microsoft.com and Microsoft, or you can go directly Microsoft Team, and then sign in. Okay. So you can it's asking because I had already logged in. So you can just enter your user ID or username or password, means your email ID or password, what you are using in your university account. Okay, your university email. Same you can enter here and sign in. Yes. So it will send some code to your mobile. So just you need to enter that one. Just I'm also entering 1 minute. Yes, verify. What you can do in Microsoft Team, you can create your own team. Okay, for any purpose, just you can create your own team. You can share some files. You can work. You can share some applications, or you can chat. You can meet online. Because these all features available in Microsoft Team. So just I will show you. Let it come. Just taking some time. Yes, now it's there. Okay, so here you can see like left side calls, files, different many options are there. Chat, these all. Chat means if you want to chat with someone privately. Otherwise, okay. First, let's create a team. Okay, I just I first I tell you that how to create a theme. So for this, go here, Teams. Okay, so I had already created this e-learning team. Okay, so just a minute. You can go here to create a new team. Join or create team. Create team. Okay, so you need to select from here like a class or a professional learning or staff. For example, I just this one staff. Okay, create your team name again. For example, my e-learning training e-learning team. Okay, description. Here you can put some description about your this team, and then next. Okay, now it is asking me to add people to e-learning team, to my team. Okay, so because this time I'm using this Design University Microsoft Team. So here I just when I will type email ID, yeah, like university email ID or name, so it will identify. For example, I just forgot. I had created for Sita ma'am. You don't mind Sita? Yes. When I just enter SEE, so it will show me like Sita Balakrishnan is available there. So I can add this one. Yes, one time only, and then add. Next, for example, who's there? Yes, Sarah Samaran. So just I'm showing you that how to add people, okay, in your team. So add, okay, then close. So it is my e-learning team one, okay, and here you can see many features are there, like it's a journal that if I want to uh, chat with them or conversation, we can start from here, new conversation, and we can type here. We have many options like we can format this one, some emojis are there or formatting option are there, or even we can attach file also. Okay, so attach file option is also there. This one. So you can attach file also. Next is here like files. If you want to share some files, so you can go through here. Okay, so new file, upload or copy link, download. Many options are there. Open in SharePoint. If you want to open any file in SharePoint, you can use this one. Okay, and next is your post option is also here. Staff notebook, like notebook here also available. Like if we want to share some notebook, or even if you want to add some applications, add a tab, go here. More applications, you can add some more application to share with your team members. OneNote, Excel, whiteboard, and Word. So whatever you want to use, just you can add there. Okay, and here this chat box is if you want to chat with someone privately, so you can use this chat box, and whatever the activity in your, so it will just show you um, all activities here. So and you can call them, speed dial also available, and next is your meeting, that online meeting, how you will do that one. So go here, meet. So I don't know because I'm already using the Zoom meeting this time, so I don't know if it will work or not, just to check. Okay, add a subject, meeting subject, you can use, and then meet now. It's connecting. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. So here, then I will start this meeting. So whoever the team members will, their name already it will be shown there, and just I need to send them link, invite them. Okay. This link I will send them, and they will be inside the meeting. Okay. So this was about the meeting, and all camera and microphone, everything is here. You can mute your microphone, and more actions are there. Like go here, device settings, show meeting notes, and full screen, raise hands, and meeting. Okay, so even you can turn off incoming video if someone has a switch on the video, so you can turn off from your side. And what else, like hide participants also available. Okay, so there are so many options. Yes, and this is the sharing option. Okay, the file sharing or even your um, whiteboard sharing. Okay, so you can use this one. Sharing desktop, window, PowerPoint, whiteboard. Okay, so many options are there. Just you can use this one. When it's done, you can end meeting from here. Okay, so it's all about the Microsoft Teams. It's a very good software we can use. We can work together, and we can share many applications in our team. Okay, so it's all about the Microsoft team. Next, we will talk about the Zoom. You already know about the Zoom. Just quickly, I already made a video for Zoom because this time already I'm using the Zoom application. So maybe I would not be able to show you again. So just I will show you the video for Zoom application, how to use this one, and then we will finish. Just a minute, give me 1 minute. I'm just opening. Zoom application, we already know about Zoom. Just I want to. Okay, I don't know where I saved the Zoom. Okay, directly just I open the Zoom and I show you. Just a minute. So Zoom also you can use free as a free account. Like just go to the zoom.us website. Otherwise, if you want to go through university account, so just go there mine.zoom.us. I'm just opening the mine.zoom.us, again. Let me screen share again. Okay, so just we will go here mind.zoom.us and then log in. We already aware about Zoom, but just I want to tell you some features like how to see reports and how to um, break out rooms. Okay, so when we start this Zoom, so you already know that schedule meeting is here. We can schedule meeting. We can go here and then it will ask us to enter information like topic and duration and everything, like registration required. If you want your participants should register first, so just you can select that time you can select this registration security password if requires, and require authentication to join. Like if you select this one, so your participants should first sign into Zoom, okay, with their account, and after that they can join the meeting. So we need to make these all settings like video, audio, meeting options allow participants to join anytime. And breakout room we assign this breakout room option is here, okay? But it will not be shown when breakout room option. First, you need to go to the settings because I have already made so it is showing here. If you want to use this breakout room, so you should go their settings. I will show you how. And so this all make settings and then save your meeting. Okay, so first you go here settings. Yes, so settings, so we can see here many options are there required that all some security features are there. So security settings we need, waiting room if we need or not, require passport, okay, require a passport for instant meeting and all. This all is showing here. Only authenticated users can join. It means they need to sign into Zoom first. Okay, so these all options are there. We schedule meeting. The same. Most options are the same what we have seen when scheduling the meeting. So audio types and what you need you want like telephone only or computer telephone both. Allow participants to join before host, and these all options you can go through here. Upcoming meeting reminder if you want. Okay, so just you can enable this one. So this all. So here I want to just file transfer. Yes, file transfer also. If you want file transfer enabled in chat box, so you can select this one. And co-host, if you want to make some co-host, enable this one. Otherwise, you will not have option while you will see when you will see the participants list. Okay, to make the co-host option, to make the co-host. And next is your screen sharing. Who can share, host, all participants, annotation. So this all these things are there. Whiteboard, remote control, so it's up to you that what you need to just select here. Yes, it's there. Your breakout option is there. Breakout room is there. Okay. Like first you need to go to the settings and then in meeting advanced and then breakout rooms. Okay. Allow host to split meeting participants into separate smaller rooms. Like if you are dealing with students or any lecture and whatever. So just if you want to divide them in some groups for group discussions and whatever, so you can use this feature. Okay. So how you will do this? You need to select enable from here, and then when you will start the meeting. So when you see now all options like security options and like your breakouts, sorry, your microphone and everything is there in bottom. So their breakout room option will also be shown. Okay, because I have enabled from here. So maybe this time I cannot show you. That's why only I made the video. But I can show you the screenshots I have taken. Okay, that how to use the breakout rooms while you are inside the meeting. So this is the about the breakout. Make the settings from here. Okay. Next, you can start the meeting. You know already about this one, like your meeting. Just go to the meetings, and then all meetings it will show like upcoming meetings or previous meetings. Then you can start meeting from there. And webinar this option is there, but it is not. It's not available here. Okay, because as you know that for our forum. So we requested there and they given me permission for only I think 1 week. After that it's finished. So we don't have this option. Even in a free Zoom version, what you are using, you don't have access to webinar. For that you have to pay. Okay. Next recordings, you can see all your recordings here. Yes. So you can share recording. You can okay see all your recordings. Next, your reports. Reports go there. Yes. Reports like your attendance list if you want after your meetings and also just to go there. Usage. Okay. So here you can yes you can go through here like date. You can select date. Search. It will show you all your meetings. Okay. So just you go there and see participants. Okay. For example, this. So you can see here participants. Click here. Okay. Here it will show you it's all participants. Yes, but you need to see the unique users, okay? Because maybe some users they have joined and then they left, and then after that again joined. So it will count all, okay? So for attendance purpose, you need unique users, okay? So just you need to click this one, and it will show you total duration, their emails, and everything available. And unique users means repetition will not be there, okay? And if you want to export this file to Excel, you can export it also. So this was about the report, that how to do the report, okay? And next is, so this was all about the Zoom and Microsoft Teams we have already discussed. Yes, I told you that I will show you the breakout. Okay, just a minute. Yes, just I will show you some screenshots of breakout rooms, okay? Because this time I'm not able to start meeting again because I'm already in meeting, Zoom meeting. So for that, just a minute. I will share all manuals and videos in WhatsApp group also. Just a minute. Yes. see, we have make the settings for breakout rooms. Okay, so once you are meeting, so just you can see here, it will show here. Okay, breakout rooms, it will show here breakout rooms, and then like this you can create rooms, you can assign participant to different rooms. Okay, so this will be shown there when you select from setting breakout rooms. It's important because just e-learning unit e-learning asked us to inform teachers about this. Okay, because maybe if you need to deal with the students, so you need to divide in groups. So we have made these settings in settings. So after that, when you are inside the meeting, so you will see this breakout option available there. So it was all about the today workshop. Now I'm going to share attendance form and evaluation form. Please fill that, and if you have any question, then you can ask me. Okay, before attendance test, I want to share post test again, the same test, and you need to attempt again. Okay, so just to it's a new process from e-learning that just they want to know that how much you understood. Just a minute. Just yes, please attempt this one. It will take only 5 minutes. You already know that 5 questions were there. Then I will just share evaluation form and attendance also. Please find the post test link and attempt this, please. And this is attendance link. I have shared the attendance link and test link also, post test link also. Okay. And if you have any question, you are welcome. Please ask if you have any question. Now I'm going to send evaluation link also. Thank you everyone for joining this session. And if you have any questions, any thing you need to ask me, please ask. And even if there are some softwares I did not tell in detail and you want to know more about those software, so just let me know. I can conduct a separate meeting, a separate workshop for that. Okay, because it was very difficult to explain all in one meeting, one workshop. Please let me know in chat box that if you have finished this post test, because it is compulsory from e-learning department. Like whoever attended the workshop should attend this p-test and post test. It's not by me, okay? It's from e-learning. So please, if you finished, just let me know that you are doing or not. Otherwise, response I will see later that who did. Okay, Sita ma'am, thank you. Okay, Sulafa ma'am, have time. Yes. If you need, I will share again. So total, I have shared 4 links. Yeah, pre-test, post-test. Pre-test not now because it was uh, just for in starting. Okay, 10 minutes it was. After that, whoever attended, it will not be considered. Okay, and evaluation form I have shared attendance link and post. Most welcome, Dr. Asia. Inshallah, tomorrow we will meet again uh, on a workshop topic like what instructional design. Thank you, Abdul. Thank you. You are welcome, Dr. Sakina. Most welcome. Send the answers or post it. Dr. Asia, you can see result when you submit your test. Now you will see the result. Okay, you need answer. I will send. Okay, inshallah. Yes, because in result only you will see the marks. Maybe if it is any wrong, then you cannot see answer. thank you everyone whoever finished. And okay, I'm here till 10 minutes. I will not end. Okay, you can finish. Please, all of you who are remaining, please fill form quickly, because I just checked that only 9 participants have filled the form, and it's compulsory whoever attended this workshop to fill all the forms. Okay, so please fill quickly. I'm waiting. After 5 minutes, I will end meeting. Thank you.